Okay, so hello everyone. Sarvesh this side, and today we are going to talk about Boolean data types. And Boolean data type is refers to a data type which only gives either a true result or a false result. It refers to a truly or and a falsy value. Uh, in engineering perspective, we can say that uh, if something is true then it returns 1, and if something is false it returns 0. So but in Python we can say a true value and a false value differs from engineering perspective. So here we are going to see how to print a boolean data type and how to clarify that it is a boolean data type. So first of all, we will give a variable to true value. Make sure that the T in true remains a capital letter. If it would be a small letter, then it will be considered as a string or a simple variable. Hence we can see that it is printed successfully. Now we are going to print the type of this a variable. Type of this, and it states that it is a boolean type. Similar goes to something, suppose b is a variable here. B is equals to false, and after executing this line successfully, I will just print its type. And it states that it is also a boolean data type, or it comes under a boolean class. Everything is in Python is a object, and every object has a blueprint and which is known as a and as its class. And this is all for this video.